Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. In this video, you will learn how to use the phrases I wish and if only in different sentences. I wish and if only can be really confusing because they can be used with simple past, past perfect, past continuous, would, could, etc. And that's why sometimes even good English speakers, they use these phrases in a wrong way or in a wrong combination. So please watch this video till the end so that you will not have any confusion with these phrases and you will be able to use them freely because they are really advanced phrases and people use them a lot. So please watch the video and understand the concept properly so that you can also use these phrases in your day-to-day conversation. Now, let's get started. I wish and if only, they both are used to express impossible desires, something that is impossible. For example, you want something to change or you want something in present, past or future, but you know that you can't change it because that's impossible. So that's only your imagination. So we use if only and I wish to talk about imagination, something that you want to change in present, past or future, but that's impossible. I wish and if only, they both have same meaning and they both can be used interchangeably, but if only expresses a strong wish. So this is the only difference, otherwise they both have the same meaning. First combination is we use I wish with simple past tense. So we use this particular combination to express that we want a situation in present or future, not in the past, in present or future to be different. And we know that it's impossible. We can't change anything in present or future and it's only an imagination, but we want it. Okay, so here we are not talking about the past. However, we are using simple past because that's the rule. But here we want a situation in present or future to be different. Now let's look at some examples. I wish I had a big house. So here I wish and after that we have simple past tense, subject plus second form of the verb. So I wish I had a big house. I is the subject and second form of have is had. I had a big house. So right now I don't have a big house and I know that I'm not able to buy it. I don't have that much of money, but yes, I want it. It's my desire, but I know it's impossible right now. So I wish I had a big house. I wish my mom were here. I wish my mom were here. So my mom is not here. She is in a different city and I know that she can't be here, but it's an impossible desire. This is what I want, but I know it's impossible and it is about the present. Right now, I wish my mom were here. Now you must be thinking why I haven't used was. However, we use was with singular third person, he, she, it, but here I'm not using was. We will use were with singular third person also because here we are talking about imagination. So I wish my mom were here. You might have heard people saying I wish my mom was here, even in the movies also. So if you want to use it, you can. But yes, people use that. It is acceptable. So if you want to use it, that's okay. But better is were. Look at this sentence. We wish it were a holiday, not it was a holiday, because again it's an imagination. You are in the office, you're doing your job, but you are feeling a bit tired and you're saying I wish it were a holiday, but it's not a holiday. You're talking about the present and this is your imagination. That's why we are not using was here. I'm not saying I wish it was a holiday. I'm saying I wish it were a holiday. But again, if you say it was a holiday, that is also acceptable and people say like that as well. So it's up to you how you want to frame your sentence. Okay, I wish it was a holiday or I wish it were a holiday. They both are correct, but it were a holiday is better. Now let's look at this example. Till now we have seen examples wherein we want to change something in present. Okay, that is impossible. But now I'm giving you one example wherein you want to change or you want something for future, but you know that it's impossible and this is only an imagination. I wish Max called me on my birthday. So here, tomorrow is your birthday and you know that you have not been in touch with Max. It's been ages and it's impossible that he will call you on your birthday. Okay, but this is an impossible desire, but you wish this. So I wish he called me on my birthday, but you know that it's impossible and this is only your imagination. So here you're talking about future. You want something in future, but you know that it's impossible. So this way we can use I wish. Now in all these sentences you can also use if only. You can simply replace I wish with if only. So if only my mom were here, if only he called me on my birthday, if only I had a big house. So here you can use either I wish or if only. They both are correct. Next combination is I wish or if only plus past perfect. So we use this combination to express that we want to change something in the past, but again we all know that we can't change our past and this is only an imagination. I wish I hadn't lost my watch. It was so expensive. I bought it last month. I wish I hadn't lost my watch. So here you lost your watch in the past and now you know that you can't change it. You already have lost it, but you want to change it. This is your desire, which is impossible. So this is your imagination. I wish or if only I hadn't lost my watch, or I wish I hadn't lost my watch. I wish I hadn't gone there, or if only I hadn't gone there. So here again you're talking about the past. You went somewhere and after coming back you regret that why I went there. Okay, so generally we use it when we regret something. So I wish or if only I hadn't gone there. He wished he had studied harder. So he failed his exam and now he wants to change something in the past that is impossible. So it's an impossible desire. He wished he had studied harder. If he had studied harder, he could have cleared the exam, or he would have cleared the exam, but he has failed it. So he is saying now, if only he had studied harder, or he wished he had studied harder, or he wishes he had studied harder. Next combination is I wish or if only with would. So we use this combination when something is going on right now and we want to stop it, or something that is not happening right now and we want that to happen. Okay, when we want to change something in the present, or you can say when you want something to happen right now, then we use this combination I wish or if only plus would and first form of the verb. I wish this meeting would end now, or if only this meeting would end now. So just imagine that a meeting is going on and it's been an hour, you are tired, and then you say that I wish this meeting would end now. So you want something to happen right now. I wish I would find my keys, or if only I would find my keys. So you are looking for your keys, you're not able to find them, and then you say I wish I would find my keys now. I wish my children would listen to me, or if only my children would listen to me, because generally your children don't listen to you. Okay, so now you say that I wish my children would listen to me. So you want to change something right now in the present. I wish you wouldn't argue with anyone. So you have a friend and you know that he argues with everyone, he has a habit of doing it, and you want him to change this now. And you say, if only you wouldn't argue with anyone, or I wish you wouldn't argue with anyone. This means that you want him to stop it now. I wish you wouldn't call me every hour, or if only you wouldn't call me every hour, because your mom calls you every hour and that disturbs you a lot and you want her to stop that now. and you say, I wish you wouldn't call me every hour, or if only you wouldn't call me every hour. So this way we use I wish or if only with would when you want something to happen right now. Next combination is I wish or if only plus could. So we use this combination to talk about your present ability. For example, I wish I could speak English fluently. So right now in the present, you know that you're not fluent in English, and you say, I wish I could speak English fluently. Okay, so you're talking about the present, but we are using could, not can, because we know that this is about imagination, and in imagination we use simple past. And the past form of can is could. That's why we will not use can, we will use could. If only I could speak English fluently. I wish I could help you. So someone asks for help and you're not in a position to help that person, but you want to do it, but you know that it's impossible. I can't help that person. Then you can say, I wish I could help you. Or if only I could help you, but I'm sorry, I'm helpless, I can't do that. So this way we use I wish or if only with could. Let me tell you one more combination that we use with wish. I wish plus past continuous tense. So here generally these kind of sentences, these kind of combinations we do not use with if only, we use it with I wish generally. So we use this combination I wish plus past continuous tense to express that we would be doing a different activity in present or future, but again it's an imagination. For example, I wish I was playing now. So here I'm talking about the present. Right now I'm studying and I know that I have to do it for another hour, but I am saying that I wish I was playing now. So this is a desire, an impossible desire. I know that's impossible, that's an imagination, but that's what I want to do right now. But I can't play, I have to study, but I can wish. I can't do that, but I can wish. I wish I was playing now, but I'm studying. I wish it weren't raining, or I wish it wasn't raining. So here it's raining right now and you want to stop it, but it's impossible. Again, an impossible desire in the present. Right now an action is going on and you want something else. So I wish it weren't raining or it wasn't raining. Imagination, that's why you can use were with it also. However, we use was with singular third person, he, she and it. But here since it's an imagination, so we can use were. So were is completely acceptable. So I wish it weren't raining or wasn't raining. I wish he was coming to office party tomorrow. So this is about future. Okay, something is going to happen in the future and you want to change it, but that's impossible. That's an impossible desire. It can't be changed, but you want to change it. Okay, so I wish he was coming to office party tomorrow. You know, we have done it earlier also that we can use present continuous to talk about future as well. For example, you're going somewhere tomorrow, you can say I'll go there tomorrow or I'm going there tomorrow. They both are correct. So we can use present continuous to talk about future as well. I have made a detailed video on this. I will mention the link in description box. So this way we are using it here. Whenever we are talking about tomorrow in present continuous, so in imagination, when we use it with I wish, then we will change it in past continuous. So that's what we have done here. I wish he was coming to office party tomorrow. So that's all for today. I've told you different combination how we can use these phrases I wish and if only. So now I think it's all clear to you. You have understood the concept properly. Now please try to make some more sentences with I wish or if only, and you can share those sentences with me in the comment section, and if you have any doubts you can mention that as well. Please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. Thank you, take care, keep learning and have a great day.